You feel it the moment you step on the mat. Every move depends on what's on your feet. The right pair can make a real difference in how you perform. In this video, we're going through the best wrestling shoes and what makes them stand out. I went through tons of user feedback, expert opinions, and real discussions online to pull together options that actually matter. These picks are matched up across a few different categories, so it's worth sticking around to see which one fits you best. You'll find links to all the shoes in the description below. If this helps you out, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. And if something's on your mind, the comment section is there for you. Let's get into the reviews. ASICS Aggressor 6, best wrestling shoes for grip and performance. This one leans hard into grip and quick movement on the mat. It's built for wrestlers who rely on fast footwork and sharp direction changes. The lightweight build helps you stay quick without feeling held back during fast exchanges. The ASICS Aggressor 6 uses a duosole rubber outsole that gives strong traction without feeling stiff. You get a nice balance here, where the shoe stays flexible enough for quick pivots but still keeps you planted during scrambles. The upper is made from soft polyester with a brushed finish, and inside there's a suede lining that helps keep things comfortable through long sessions. Support is another big point. There's extra padding around the ankle, plus reinforced side panels that help with lateral stability. That lockdown feel can really help when you're pushing through tough positions. Cushioning sits in the middle range thanks to the EVA sock liner, so it doesn't feel too soft or too thin. It comes in a range of colors like black with silver, teal with lime, and white with champagne, plus a wide spread of sizes. This one sits in the premium range. Just keep in mind, the fit can feel tight, especially for wider feet, and durability feedback is a bit mixed. ASICS Snapdown 4 Wide, best wrestling shoes for wide feet. Finding a pair that actually gives your toes room can be harder than it should be. This one focuses on giving a bit more space without losing that locked-in feel. The ASICS Snapdown 4 is built with a wider shape across each size, so you're not stuck squeezing into something too tight. The upper uses polyester with stitched overlays, which helps it keep its shape through practices and matches. Inside, there's a breathable mesh lining that helps keep things from getting too warm. On the mat, the rubber outsole gives steady traction for quick moves and control. It stays light on your feet, so you're not fighting against extra weight. Cushioning sits right in the middle with an EVA sock liner, giving some comfort without feeling too soft. You get a lot of color options here, from simple black and white to brighter combos like teal and yellow. This one lands in the lower mid-range, making it a good pick for many wrestlers. One thing to keep in mind, the tongue design can feel a bit awkward at first, and there are a few mentions of the toe area wearing down faster over time. Adidas HVC, best beginner, budget wrestling shoes. Getting started in wrestling doesn't mean you need to spend big right away. This one keeps things simple and focused on what really matters early on. The lightweight design makes it easier to move naturally as you build your basics. The Adidas HVC is built with a mix of synthetic suede, mesh, and a bit of leather overlay, which helps keep it light and breathable. There's a lace-up system with an added strap, so you can tighten things down and get a more secure feel. That extra strap is a nice touch, especially for newer wrestlers still figuring out their fit. Underneath, the rubber outsole gives dependable grip for basic drills and matches. It doesn't feel heavy, and at under 9 ounces per shoe, it stays easy to move in. The mid-top cut gives some ankle coverage, and the EVA foam inside adds just enough comfort without getting too soft. You're mostly looking at a clean black and white style here, with a range of sizes available. As a budget pick, it makes sense for beginners or anyone wanting a simple backup pair. One thing to watch for, durability can be hit or miss, and some pairs show wear earlier than expected. ASICS Kids MatFlex 7 Grade School, best wrestling shoes for youth kids. For younger wrestlers, comfort and ease of movement matter a lot more than anything fancy. This one keeps things light, flexible, and easy to wear from the start. This model uses a breathable mesh upper with supportive overlays that help keep the foot in place during quick moves. It feels soft and flexible, which can make it easier for kids who are still getting used to being on the mat. Inside, there's an EVA sock liner that adds a higher level of cushioning, so it feels a bit more forgiving underfoot than many others in this space. The sole is built from EVA as well, which keeps the weight down and helps with smooth movement. grip stays consistent for basic drills and matches, and the ankle-high cut gives a bit of added support without feeling restrictive. There are a lot of color choices here, from simple black and white to brighter options like red, pink, or green, plus a wide range of youth sizes. It sits in the budget range, which works well for growing athletes. Some feedback points to a snug feel, and there are a few mentions of light wear showing up earlier than expected. RUDIS JB1, best wrestling shoes for ankle support. If ankle support is high on your list, this one takes a different approach than most. It focuses on wrapping the foot in a way that feels secure without adding bulk. The shape follows the foot closely, which helps keep everything stable during fast transitions. The RUDIS JB1 uses a mix of faux suede on one side and breathable mesh on the other, which helps balance structure and airflow. That mesh section gives a sock-like feel, so the shoe hugs the foot closely. Around the ankle, the shape and padding work together to keep things steady during quick shifts and pressure moves. Underfoot, the outsole has an omnidirectional grip pattern, so you can move in any direction without losing traction. It wraps up slightly along the sides, which adds a bit more control during scrambles. The cushioning leans more on the minimal side with a PU footbed that gives light shock absorption without getting in the way. This one comes in a bold blue look with a mix of men's and women's sizing options. It lands in the mid-range, which feels fair for what it offers. The lighter cushioning might not suit everyone, especially if you want more underfoot comfort for longer sessions. Nike Inflict 4, best Nike wrestling shoes. Some wrestlers stick with one brand, and this option is built for those who want that familiar feel with strong mat control. It leans into grip and a locked-in fit right from the start. The overall shape keeps your foot close to the mat, which helps with fast, controlled movements. The Nike Inflict 4 uses a breathable mesh upper that helps keep airflow moving during tough sessions. There's a lace system paired with a hook and loop strap, which helps keep everything in place once you tighten it down. That added strap can make a difference when things get intense and you don't want to think about loose laces. Down below, the rubber outsole is shaped for consistent traction in all directions. It keeps you close to the mat, which helps with quick reactions and control. Cushioning stays on the lighter side, so it doesn't take away from that direct feel. The inner lining adds a bit of comfort without making it feel bulky. You'll find this one in a few clean color options, like black and white or white with purple, along with a range of larger sizes. It sits in the premium tier. That low-to-the-mat feel stands out, though it may feel a bit harsh during longer sessions for those who prefer extra softness. That was a full look at the best wrestling shoes. If you want more videos like this, you'll find plenty waiting on the channel. Thanks for sticking around. I'll see you next time.